In today's fast-paced world, we are constantly looking for ways to stand out and be heard. And when it comes to creating videos that capture attention, we often face challenges, like complex editing software and lack of time. But what if there was an effortless way to create quality videos?
Introducing eVideos with Pictory.
Our AI video editing and content generation software that brings simplicity and efficiency to your video creation process. It's perfect for anyone. Whether you're a marketer, a social media manager, an agency, a blogger, a course creator, a coach, or a YouTube creator, Pictory is the answer you've been waiting for. With Pictory, you can easily edit videos using text, auto-summarize long videos, create eye-catching video highlights, and even convert your blog posts into engaging videos. But that's not all. We believe that accessibility is key, which is why Pictory offers auto-captioning and transcription features. This means that you can make your videos more inclusive and reach a wider audience. But it doesn't stop there. Pictory goes the extra mile to provide you with educational resources through our academy. Get access to video marketing masterclasses, inspiring case studies, and join our thriving creator community on Facebook. We're here to support you every step of the way. And guess what? We even have a blog and a Hall of Fame, showcasing amazing projects from our very own Pictory community. Come and be part of our success story. You might be wondering about pricing. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Pictory offers a range of pricing plans to suit different financial and creative needs. And if you're still unsure, why not try our free trial period? It's the perfect opportunity to test the platform and experience the magic of Pictory firsthand. So why wait? Say goodbye to complicated video editing software and hello to the effortless power of Pictory. Visit our website by clicking on the link below and start creating quality videos quickly and effortlessly, even without any prior video editing experience. Your journey to excellent videos starts here.